Welcome to our fun and educational journey. Today, we're exploring 20 farm animals in English with our teacher,
Hello everyone.
Mrs. Green, and her student.
Welcome to our fun adventure about farm animals. Today, Emma and I are exploring 20 amazing domestic farm animals. From cows and chickens to horses and sheep, we'll share exciting facts and their incredible benefits to people.
I can't wait, Mrs. Green. Did you know goats are great climbers, or that pigs are super smart?
That's right, Emma. Get ready for a farm-tastic learning journey packed with fun and fascinating facts.
Had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
Meet the cow.
With a
Cows are big and gentle animals. Did you know they have 4 stomachs to help them digest food? Cows give us milk, which we use to make yummy things like cheese, butter, and ice cream. They also help farmers by pulling heavy carts in some parts of the world.
Cows have been domesticated for over 10,000 years, providing milk, meat, and labor. They are key to agriculture, producing dairy products and manure for fertilizer. Their gentle nature and agricultural importance make them vital to human survival.
Had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Cluck, cluck. Here comes the chicken. Chickens are great at laying eggs. They can lay about 300 eggs a year. We eat eggs for breakfast, and they're super healthy. Chickens also keep farms clean by eating bugs and weeds.
Chickens were domesticated over 7,000 years ago in Southeast Asia. They're an essential source of eggs, meat, and feathers. Their adaptability and quick reproduction make them one of the most widely kept animals in the world.
E-I-E-I-O.
Oink, oink. That's a pig. Pigs are very smart and love to roll in the mud to stay cool. They give us meat like bacon, ham, and pork. Some farmers also use pigs to find truffles, which are special mushrooms.
Pigs were domesticated over 9,000 years ago in Asia and Europe. Valued for their meat and lard, they're also intelligent animals capable of learning tricks. Pigs play a significant role in both farming and science research.
Sheep are fluffy animals with woolly coats. Their wool is used to make warm sweaters, blankets, and socks. Fun fact, sheep recognize faces, just like humans do.
Sheep were among the first animals domesticated, around 11,000 years ago. Valued for their wool, meat, and milk, they've provided warmth and nourishment for centuries. Their gentle demeanor and usefulness in farming make them a staple in many cultures.
Bleep. Here comes the goat. Goats are super curious and love to climb. They give us milk, which is used to make yummy cheese and soap. Goats are also great at clearing weeds in gardens.
Goats were domesticated around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. They're hardy animals, providing milk, meat, and even hides. Known for their playful nature, goats are vital for small-scale farming and sustain many rural communities.
Quack, quack. Ducks are awesome swimmers and have waterproof feathers. They give us eggs and meat. Ducks are also great for farms because they eat pests like snails and insects.
Domesticated ducks have been kept for over 4,000 years, especially in China. They're raised for their eggs, meat, and down feathers. Ducks also help control pests in farming, making them beneficial
Quack,
to agriculture.
quack. Neigh. Horses are strong and fast. They've been helping people for thousands of years by pulling carts, plowing fields, and even being friendly companions. Fun fact, horses can sleep both lying down and standing up.
Horses were domesticated about 6,000 years ago in Central Asia. They revolutionized transportation, farming, and even warfare. Today, horses are used for sports, therapy, and leisure. Their strength, speed, and intelligence have made them trusted partners to humans.
Hee-haw! Donkeys are hard workers on the farm. They carry heavy loads and help farmers transport things. Did you know donkeys have an excellent memory? They can remember other animals and places for years.
Donkeys were domesticated over 5,000 years ago in Africa. Known for their strength and resilience, they've been used to transport goods and plow fields. In rural areas, donkeys remain essential for farming and carrying loads.
Hop, hop. Rabbits are soft and cuddly. They help farmers by eating weeds and providing fur for clothing. Fun fact, rabbits can see behind them without turning their heads.
Rabbits were domesticated in the Middle Ages, mainly for their fur and meat. Today, they're popular pets due to their gentle nature. Rabbits are also used in farming and scientific research, contributing to both food supply and medicine.
Honk, honk. Geese are smart birds that can remember faces. They are great guards for farms because they honk loudly when strangers come near. Geese also lay eggs, and their feathers are used to make comfy pillows and blankets.
Geese were domesticated over 3,000 years ago, valued for their meat, eggs, and feathers. They are also natural guardians, known to alert humans of intruders. Their intelligence and utility make them a great addition to farms.
Llamas are fluffy animals with long necks. Did you know llamas hum to communicate with each other? They carry heavy loads for farmers in mountainous areas and provide soft wool for making clothes and blankets.
Llamas were domesticated around 4,000 years ago in South America. They've been used to carry goods across the Andes and provide wool for textiles. Their friendly nature and versatility make them cherished by farmers.
Woof, woof. Farm dogs are not just pets, they're hard workers too. They help herd sheep and protect the farm from intruders. Fun fact, dogs can understand up to 250 words and gestures.
Dogs were domesticated over 15,000 years ago from wolves. They've served as hunters, herders, and protectors. Today, they're beloved companions, guard animals, and even emotional support friends. Their loyalty, intelligence, and ability to bond with humans make them invaluable as pets and helpers.
Alpacas are cousins of llamas but smaller and even softer. Their wool is super warm and doesn't itch, making it perfect for cozy sweaters. Alpacas are also gentle and friendly, making them great farm companions.
Did you know alpacas have super soft wool that's warmer and lighter than sheep's wool? They even hum to communicate with each other. It's like they're singing. Isn't that fascinating?
Bees. Bees are tiny but super important. They pollinate flowers and crops, helping plants grow. Bees also give us honey, which is delicious and healthy. Did you know bees communicate by dancing?
Bees have been managed by humans for thousands of years for their honey and wax. They play a crucial role in pollinating crops, ensuring the growth of fruits and vegetables. Bees are essential for agriculture and biodiversity.
Peacocks are beautiful birds with colorful feathers. While they're not common on all farms, they're great at keeping snakes away. Fun fact, a peacock's tail can be longer than its body.
Peacocks are famous for their colorful tail feathers, but did you know they shake their feathers to make a rattling sound during dances? It's their way of showing off.
Coo, coo. Pigeons have been helping humans for centuries. Did you know they can find their way home from hundreds of miles away? Some farms use pigeons for communication, and their droppings are excellent for fertilizing soil.
You are right. Pigeons are excellent at finding their way home, even from hundreds of miles away. That's why they were used as message carriers in history. How cool is that?
Yaks live in cold, mountainous areas and help farmers by carrying heavy loads. Their thick fur keeps people warm when made into clothes, and they also provide milk and meat. Yaks can survive in freezing temperatures.
Yaks are super strong and can carry heavy loads in high-altitude areas. Their thick fur keeps them warm in freezing weather, and they provide milk, meat, and even wool. Pretty amazing, right?
Camels are amazing animals found on desert farms. They can go days without water and carry heavy loads. Their milk is super nutritious and their hair is used for making warm clothes.
Camels have been domesticated for 4,000 years, primarily in desert regions. Known as ships of the desert, they transport goods and people across arid landscapes. Camels also provide milk, meat, and wool, essential for survival in harsh climates.
Mules are a mix between a donkey and a horse. They are super strong and can carry heavy loads for farmers. Mules are known for their patience and endurance.
Mules are strong animals. For centuries, people have used mules to carry heavy loads and work on farms because they are tough and hardworking. They're great helpers in hilly areas and on trails where machines can't go. Mules are loved for their intelligence, loyalty, and ability to help people get work done efficiently.
Buffalo are big and strong animals. They plow fields in many parts of the world and provide milk, which is used to make cheese like mozzarella. Buffalo milk is creamier than cow's milk.
Domesticated water buffaloes are vital in Asia, where they've worked in rice paddies for over 5,000 years. They provide milk, meat, and labor for farming. Their strength and adaptability make them indispensable in agriculture.